Hi everyone, Zori Mori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you the latest I got from Sezane summer collection June drop. I know many of you are now excited about the archives. We're almost there. Personally, I like to get my favorite pieces right when they drop. I am gonna shop the archives, of course, but my strategy for that is to just go on the website and see what's available in my size. If something speaks to me, I will take it. Chasing that one piece during the archives can be really stressful and it's really not for me, but good luck. I hope you find everything you're hoping to find. If you're new to my channel, I publish new video related to personal style, fashion, a little bit of lifestyle and travel every week. If you want to stay in touch between videos, I have two links to share with you. Both of the links are in the description of this video. Number one is my Facebook group, Zori Mori blog. On there, I publish content daily. Often it's related to sales, discount codes, new collection release gossip, outfit inspiration, all of that. I hope to see you on there. And the second link is my fashion Instagram account, Zori Mori Lookbook. There I share my everyday outfits and shopping adventures in San Francisco and beyond. I hope you join me on there as well. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Now let's get to it. I want to start by highlighting the jewelry you're gonna see styled with a lot of today's looks, and you're probably gonna see this jewelry on me throughout the summer and beyond. These are pieces by a brand that's new to me called Pamela. They are based in Vancouver, made by hand, really high quality. They're inspired by ancient craftsmanship but paired with like modern edge. Look at that, it's so pretty. A lot of the necklaces, you can adjust the length of the chain, which will give you the perfect layered look. The idea of these pieces is that they will be heirloom pieces. You can share them and gift them to people who are close to you. You can spend hours reading the meanings behind the pendants on their website. I sure did. And this one here in particular spoke to me. It's called the Guardian of Might. Long story short, the meaning of these two pendants here is rooted in Greek mythology, and they are designed to empower you and give you strength as you're sharing pieces of yourself with the world. And as a person who works in social media, I daily put myself out there, and I hope to connect with people, find my tribe. And I got this necklace to remind me on the days when I feel down, why am I doing this? And more importantly, to remind me that I can totally do this. So I'm gonna link all of these pieces below and you're gonna see them styled. Check them out, gorgeous. I think you're gonna love them. This here is the Antika Blouse, size 34 European to US. It runs a little bit big, but it does not bother me because in the summer months, I don't know about you, but I don't want pieces that are too snug. I want to feel light and breezy. The material is 100% cotton. You have this gorgeous embroidery throughout. It's bright, it's fun, perfect for summer. They even have shorts in this material, so if you want to go for a full look, you can wear them together and it will be kind of like a romper, or you can style them separately. I think this piece is a classic piece that you can wear season after season as it's not tied to a particular trend. This here is the Luce Dress, size extra small. I actually got this in Paris in April. It was not warm enough, so I haven't worn it. You can see like the tag, the price, everything is still on. However, I am 100% packing this for my next beach vacation. It's the perfect summer dress. So comfortable. It's 100% cotton, really soft. The weight of the cotton, light as a feather, so it feels like you're not wearing anything at all. The waist is elastic, again, comfort and perfect fit. And I think the star of this silhouette is the V, the open V back, because it's fun and it's flirty. I am surprised that this dress is still in stock in so many sizes. The Kenan shorts, size 34 European to US. They fit like all of my other Sezane shorts, no need to size up or size down. Good depth for the pockets. When I saw this print, these are the colors, by the way, with no editing, just normal daylight. When I saw this print, I knew I had to get a piece in it, and I wanted a piece that I can actually style for fall because this is the exact color palette that I love wearing for fall. I know it will go well with my sweaters and I know it will go well with my boots. So I am keeping these shorts. They are 10 out of 10 in my book. This is the Bert Blouse, 100% cotton, size 34 European to US. A lot of beautiful detailing and embroidery along the front, a frill on the sleeve. On the back, you have a little bit of detailing around the neck, and then it's a clear cotton along the back side. I personally like that because when you have embroidery along the back and you're leaning on your chair, sometimes I can feel the bumps of the embroidery. So I think it's more comfortable because they didn't add the embroidery on the back. This is a classic piece. It's a no-brainer addition to anyone's closet. You can pair it with so many things. This is the Dorotha Dress, size 34 European to US, made out of 100% silk. I didn't get this dress at first when it came out, and then it was sold out for a while. It took me weeks checking every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday to get it restocked in my size, but I succeeded. I'm really happy because this is a timeless dress. It's not tied to any trend, so you can wear it over and over again throughout the years. I think it's really well made. The fact that it's 100% silk, it's a piece that can live in your closet for a really long time. This here is the Dílo Skirt, size 34 European to US. I was really confused at first. I thought the Dílo skirt and the Dino skirt are the same, but they are not. The Dílo is longer, it's more to the ankle, so it's a maxi skirt, versus the Dino that I have, it's much shorter. It's kind of like right underneath the knee. I decided to keep the shorts in this pattern because the colors resonate with me for the fall, and I want a piece that will highlight my boots. I think the length of the Dílo unfortunately is not gonna work as well with my boots, but it is a gorgeous piece nevertheless. This here is the Adela Cardigan, size extra small in navy. It's made out of 100% cotton. Perfect addition to my closet. I live in San Francisco. Our summer is not like everyone else's summer. I don't wear quite as much like spaghetti straps or like no sleeves. I always need cardigans for the summer, but a cotton one is definitely better than a wool one. It makes me feel like it's summer. Otherwise, I can totally wear wool in San Francisco in the summer. That's just how our climate is. Really easy piece, really classic. You can style it with so many different things in your closet throughout all 4 seasons, so 10 out of 10. This here is the Joyce sweater cardigan, size extra small. I had last year's version of this cardigan on my wish list for forever. That thing never got restocked. I kept checking and never got restocked, and I was thinking I'm gonna go try to hunt it down during the archives, but then I know I don't like hunting for specific pieces. So when this version came out, I was sold. I mean, honestly, even the colors on top of these confetti things, they are better, I think, than last year's, just because of the variety. You have like pink and yellow and green and blue, and that gives you a lot of freedom to pair it with a lot of different bottoms. This top is from a brand called Mirth. Their website is Shop Mirth. I have a dress from them that I'm gonna show you in an upcoming video. I had a jumpsuit from them 2 years ago. They're a woman-run company. They use really high quality cotton. They make their pieces by hand in India. I think you're gonna love them, so the link to it is in the description box below. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which pieces were your favorite, and if you're watching this video after Sunday, let me know what you got from the archives. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.